Want to know how to disable auto purchasing items in Paladins? So auto purchasing can be convenient, but sometimes it can really keep a stress on your bank balance. So I'm going to show you how you can disable auto purchase so that you can easily live stress free from in-game purchases. So let's get straight to it. Now first things first, simply open up your Paladins game and you should be provided with this interface right here. So now once you're under this interface, on the top right side you should be seeing this gear icon right here. This should be your settings on the main menu, so you can just simply select it. So now once you have selected that, by default you should be under video right here. So once you're there, here make sure you are under gameplay, so you can just simply select that. Now once you're under gameplay, just simply scroll down a little bit and here you should be seeing auto purchase items. Just simply disable it. Now select apply and you should be good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and join with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.